The attorney representing George Floyd's family says they cannot celebrate because an arrest is not a conviction. This comes after 4 Minneapolis policemen were charged on Wednesday for their role in the killing of Floyd. Ben Crump welcomed Minnesota prosecutors' decision to also raise the charges against the 44-year-old police officer who was filmed kneeling on the neck of Floyd before his death. The arrest of all 4 officers involved has been a persistent demand of protesters who have taken to the streets in dozens of U.S. cities for the past 9 days to condemn police brutality and demand racial justice.
We want justice. That really is the statement that people all across America are marching in cities saying, we want justice. I do want to acknowledge the family's gratification to Attorney General Keith Ellison. We obviously were disappointed when the previous district attorney said things like there may not be evidence to support a crime. That was devastating to this family because we had all saw the video. We cannot celebrate because an arrest is not a conviction, and we want justice. You know, we don't want partial justice, we want whole justice. I will be clear, the family has always wanted first-degree murder. They wanted him charged to the full extent of the law. Whatever George Floyd would have been charged with had the roles been reversed, that's what the families have asked for. You think about them all trying to blame the protesters for causing these fires to start burning. I object. I object. The protesters did not start these fires to burning. It was police brutality and a racist criminal justice system that started these fires burning in America.
Meanwhile, veteran civic rights activist the Reverend Al Sharpton has called for discipline and consistency in the ongoing struggle to end racial inequality in the United States amid violent protests.
The drama we need in the street, but it must be geared to a fundamental legal change so that children unborn will one day read about us like we read about those that did the freedom rides 50 years ago. Otherwise, they will say we had nice rallies, some of us went to jail, some of us did other things, but nothing changed.